tumbleweeds. Yay. If you notice that Amazon truck kind of trailer slid sideways.
Yeah, it did. Bird was in there flying, he wasn't. He's just being blown by the wind.
Poor bird. I wonder if I got on video.
I'm trying to get the video right now.
Okay.
Good route here.
Wow. Getting good coverage and good footage of this. This is July 21st, 2024. We're riding a dust storm on I-8. We're going around the south side of Phoenix. Going to come back up on the west side, go to a little area called Tolleson. I got some serious wind gusts blowing. I'm really heavy, and yet I don't know if you saw on the video, the Amazon Prime truck, actually the trailer slid sideways, and there's a bird that was just holding his wings out, just riding the air current. I have lost track of everybody.